In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust the engine speed on a Wacker Neuson Light Tower if you experience low voltage output out of your generator. Now, the most common reason for low voltage output on a Wacker Neuson Light Tower is more than likely low engine speed. If you have low engine speed, meaning less than 1800 RPMs, you will also experience low hertz, meaning less than 60 hertz of output out of your generator as well. On this specific light tower, this engine speed is 1700 RPMs. Our hertz reading is around 57 hertz, and our voltage output out of L1 and L2 is less than 100 volts. To adjust the engine speed on the Kohler 702 diesel engine, we have our throttle, we have our mechanical adjustment or set screw right here, and we have a mechanical stop. We're going to be adjusting our adjustment screw right here to achieve our 1800 RPMs, which will then equal 60 hertz and hopefully get us back to that 110 voltage range on the output of the generator. So we're going to start the generator, start the engine. I'm going to grab a 10 millimeter open-ended wrench, loosen the jam nut, take my Allen wrench, and I'm going to increase my adjustment screw to increase my engine speed. And I'm looking for 1800 RPMs on my display. About 1750, 1760. 1770. 1790. 1800. Find that jam nut up. Still maintaining 1800 RPMs. I'm now reading 60 hertz. And L1, L2 is now reading right around 110, 115 volts. So that's how we adjust the engine speed on a Wacker Neuson Light Tower to maintain our engine speed, hertz, and voltage output.